Hey everybody, Tessa here. Today I'm going to tell you all about this collapsible electric kettle. It is mainly for traveling. I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to show you. There's a little arrow and it says here if it's pointing this way, it's 110 volts, which is what we use here. And then if you go to places where they use 220, then to use this, you can still use it. You just have to switch it to this so that it points to 220. You would just use a screwdriver. And I'm just going to flip it to 220. But because I'm in America, I'm going to go back to 110. Set it up, you just lift it up just like that. It's pretty cool. And then the handle is here. Just bring this up and just hook it in there. It's hard to see this, but it does say minimum here. So when you use this, you make sure that you put at least this much water in here. And then there's the maximum line right here. Don't fill it beyond this line right here. Here's the on switch. This is on, and then the O or the 0 is off. So it holds 0.6 liters, which is 600 milliliters, which is equivalent to about 20 fluid ounces. I'm gonna fill it to the max line here and place the lid on. Whoops. Okay, there you go. Should probably have done this before I added the water, but that's okay. And put it on. And so then we wait for it to boil. When it boils, it automatically shuts off. So the light goes off, but it stays in this on position. This is because if I didn't use the water right now, once the temperature of the water lowered to a certain temperature, it would automatically turn back on again. And then the light would go back on and it would boil again. But I don't want it to boil again, so I'm just gonna turn it all the way off right now. I'm gonna make some tea. Pour it in there. Okay. So to store it away, you just want to make sure you let it cool down first. I already emptied it, so I just put the lid back on. Take the handle out of here first. That just goes down like that, and just push it down. If you use this often, then you'll probably want to clean it every now and then. So just make sure that you let it cool down thoroughly before you do it. Obviously, unplug it. Wipe it down with a slightly damp, soft, clean cloth, inside and out. And if you do use it often, then you'll probably get water stains in it. So then you're going to do 1 part edible vinegar, 2 parts water, fill it to the max line, boil it, turn it off, leave it for 12 hours, and then it's going to be sparkling clean. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.